In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the cursor and pointer bigger in Microsoft Word, plus change their colors. If you have difficulty seeing the mouse pointer or the text cursor while working in Microsoft Word, you can make them easier to see by changing their size and color. These settings are controlled through Windows, but they can make a big difference when you're working inside Word. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to work. To make the mouse pointer easier to see, open the Windows settings. Go to Accessibility, then look for the mouse pointer and touch options. Here, you'll find settings that control the appearance of your mouse pointer. You can increase the pointer size by moving the size slider. As you increase the size, the mouse pointer will become larger and easier to see on the screen. Next, you can change the pointer color. Windows provides several color options that you can choose from. Select the pointer color that is easiest for you to see. You can choose from the available options depending on the appearance you prefer. Once you've selected the size and color, return to Microsoft Word and move your mouse over the document. The pointer should now appear larger and in the color you selected. Now let's adjust the text cursor. The text cursor is the blinking vertical line that shows where the next character will be entered when you're typing in Word. To make the text cursor easier to see, return to the Windows Accessibility settings and look for the text cursor option. Here you can increase the thickness of the text cursor using the available slider. Move the slider to the right to make the cursor thicker. You can choose a thickness that makes the cursor easier to see without becoming distracting. You can also turn on the text cursor indicator if you want an additional visual indicator around the cursor. The indicator can be adjusted using the available settings, including its size and color. Choose the options that make the cursor easiest for you to locate while working. After making these changes, return to Microsoft Word and click inside your document. You should now be able to see the text cursor more clearly when typing. These Windows settings apply beyond Microsoft Word, so the larger mouse pointer and text cursor can also be easier to see in other applications. If you want to make further adjustments, simply return to the same accessibility settings and change the size, thickness, or color until the pointer and cursor are comfortable for you to use. And that's how you can make the cursor and pointer bigger in Microsoft Word and change their colors using the Windows accessibility settings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,